Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about the angle facts or the angle information. So from the previous lessons or lower grades that you have been to, so the angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. That means the angles at a point or the angles in a circle. Yeah. So we all know that in a circle. So as you can see in example number 1 here, from this point up to this point, when you add these angles, that is equal 360 degrees. All right. So that's the first one. Second one is the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So as you can see here, problem letter B. So from this angle up to this angle, okay, or this angle up to this angle, that is equal to 180 degrees, right? That means that's called a straight line. So a straight line has 180 degrees. Third one is an angle of 90 degrees is called right angle. Okay, so in this case, so this angle is 90 degrees. That means when you add these three A's, that is equal to 90 degrees. Yeah, so when you add this A plus A plus A, that is equal to 90 degrees. Then another one is acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So less than 90 degrees means smaller. So we all know that this one is 90 degrees. So therefore, A here is less than 90 degrees. So that's why it's called an acute angle. While obtuse angle is between 90 and 180 degrees. That means between 90 and 180, that is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And as you can see here in problem letter A, so this one and this one are both obtuse angle because they are more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And the last one is a reflex angle. So a reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees. It's more than, greater than or more than 180. So let's try to answer the example. Now as you can see here, so we just discussed that if you add these four angles like angle X plus 100 and plus 100 degrees plus 150 degrees, that is equal to 360 degrees. So to solve this problem, you will get 360 degrees minus the sum of 150 plus 100 plus x because you have two x's here. So you have 360 degrees minus 150 plus 200 plus 100 is 250 degrees plus how many x? So you have two x's, right? So to simplify this problem, you have 360 minus 250, that's equal to 2x. So since we are looking for 2x, so 360 minus 250 is 110 degrees, is equal to 2x. So to find the value of x, all you have to do is divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2, and you've got 2 here. So x, value of x is 110 divided by 2, that is equal to 55 degrees. While here, so to get the value of a, so all you have to do is a plus a plus a, and that is equal to, remember, so 3a is equal to 90 degrees because it's equal to a right angle. So a plus a plus a is equal to 3a, and that is equal to 90 degrees. Then all you have to do is divide both sides by 3 to get the value of a. And 3 divided by 3 is 1, so a is equal to 90 divided by 3 is 30 degrees. So therefore, the value of a here is 30 degrees. So let's take the exercise number 4 from the textbook of Complete Mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE 5th edition, and this is the core. Okay. So let's take the problem number 4. In question number 1, yeah. So find the angles marked with letters. The lines AB and CD are straight lines. So this line, the second statement, pertains to the problem number 5 to 8 and to the next page of the textbook. So, but from problem number 1 to 4, so this is the only find the angles marked with letters. So from question number 1, so since the circle has 360 degrees, remember, 360 minus 150 plus 140. So all you have to do is, if you want to do that, you have to put bracket here. Okay. Or you can do directly like 360 minus 150 minus 140. Okay. But I'll do this way, 360, and then I add the 150 plus 140 is what? 290 degrees. Then 360 minus 290 is 70 degrees. So therefore, the value of angle C here is 70 degrees. All right? Okay. Now in question number 2, 360 minus, so bracket, 120 plus 140. Bracket, and then 360. It's 360 because it will form a circle, and that is 360 degrees. Minus 120 plus 140 is 260. Then 360 minus 260 is 100 degrees. Therefore, angle X here is 100 degrees. Okay, let's move on to question number 3. We'll get 360 minus, so add 160 plus 90 plus 40 to get the value of A. So 360 minus 160 plus 40 is 200 plus 90 is 290. So 360 minus 290 is equal to 70 degrees. So therefore, angle A here is 70 degrees. Now in question number 4, again, same process, 360 minus parentheses 160 plus 60 plus 40. Then 360 minus what is 160 plus 40 is 200 plus 60 is 260. And then 360 minus 260 is 100 degrees. So therefore, angle Y here is 100 degrees. Now for question number 5 to 8, so we can include the lines AB. So as you can see here, AB is a straight line. So therefore, the straight line has 180 degrees. So for question number 5, so all you have to do is the same. Instead of 360, so it will become 180 minus, so minus 71 plus 65. So 180 and 71 plus 65 is 70, and 60 is 130, and then 136 minus 136. Then 180 minus 136, that is equal to 44 degrees. So therefore, angle Y here is 44 degrees. So the same process as usual. So you will get 180 minus bracket, and then add 58 degrees and 42 degrees. So 180 minus 58 plus 2 is 60 plus 40 is 100. So therefore, 180 minus 100 is 80 degrees. Therefore, angle E here is 80 degrees. And here, since X, 2X here, so that means both X's are the same. So All you have to do is 180 minus 100. And that is 80 degrees. Then divide it by 2 because you have 2 x's to find 1x here. So 80 divided 2 is 40 degrees. Therefore, x here is 40 degrees. So here, so HH here. So the same as, almost the same with problem number 7. So all you have to do is 180 minus 84. So what is 180 minus 84? And that is 96 degrees. 96 divided by 2 is equal to 48 degrees. So therefore, H here is 48 degrees. And this is also 48 degrees. All right. So that's all for today. So if you have questions, you can comment your questions below. And then for more video, if you are not yet subscribed in my channel, please do subscribe. And I really appreciate that one. And for more videos about maths problems, so you put it up there. And so that's all for today. Till next time. Bye-bye.